This video will show you how to create and print your own oval-shaped labels and stickers. Click inside the label to enter text. You can customize font size, font style, color, and also add photos. Once you're done with your design, go to print your labels. You can choose to add different content to each label. For this demo, we want a full page of the same label content, so we will use Fill All to populate the entire page. Let's do another example with a different label size. This app supports hundreds of label sizes and shapes. To change to a different layout, simply click on the Label Size button and select the new size you wish to work with.